Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Yong. So today I will present this AutoCount, the latest version for e-invoicing module. This version is only for preparation of for the e-invoicing because at the moment the for submit the invoice is not ready yet, but we already ready for this test entity maintenance. So I believe some of you already collecting your customer or supplier the test information, maybe you're using the Google form or anything, or manual or email. So you're collecting, but definitely you want to, after you collect all this information, you need to key in into your system, right? So that's why the AutoCount come out this function, test entity maintenance. This means their AutoCount, the AIP server already live. You can update or you retrieve this test entity from our server. So it means you trying to get some ready for the invoicing, especially for phase one, because phase one will be start on August month, so will be less than 1 month to preparation. But if you already collecting, you can set in the Excel file. Later on, we will see how I help you or how to teach you to update all this information in our auto count system. So let's we go to the slide. First of all, after that, then you need to upgrade to this latest version. You may need to call your AutoCount dealer. They get the installation, then you update your AutoCount. So when you go to the tools option, then you will see the one new function. You go to this country and text. You need to enable the text function first. So you tick. After that, then you will see the e-invoicing also. You also need to enable the e-invoicing function tick here. Then you need to key in when you stack them using this e-invoicing. After you fill in these two options, then you need to press this 4 button to update the listing for the MSIC code, country code, classification code, measurement code. Because all these are, if you didn't press this 4 update button, when you go to fill in your test entity, you're not able to fill in because your MSIC code, the listing still not in your auto count. So after you press this one. But what if you found it, some of the take that example for the MSIC code, because I got try to search some MSIC code trial is not appear in the listing. So I have called the HQ, why do you have this MSIC code? They will go to check with the SDN, then they will update this listing. Then you need to come back to this option here, press the update the MSIC code, then you will see the new code in your listing. This means maybe when you fill in the test entity, you found that you cannot find this MSIC code, then you try to press the update button here. See the code you cannot find, is it updated or not? If not, you may need to call your dealer or the auto count, tell them, hey, I cannot find this MSIC code. I saw in this income tax website got this MSIC code, but not found in the AutoCount. So AutoCount will update this listing in their server, or you try to call the LSTN, ID department, update this listing in the AutoCount, then you will get this new button. But definitely after update, you need to come here to press this button so that the new code will be updated into your AutoCount. So how we retrieve this test entity or how to update this test entity in the AutoCount basically got 4 methods to key in this test entity. First is by manual. Secondly, you can get this test entity from our AutoCount server, but subject to your customer or supplier, is it got share their test information, it means their TIN number to the AutoCount. So that will be have the third method is request. What if you want your customer or supplier to share this TIN number to you in the AutoCount so that you can retrieve their TIN number from this AIP server. you can send the request link to them. Later on, I will show you how to do that. Number 4 will be use the Excel file. So especially for phase 1, because they are a big company and maybe have the more than 100 debtor, 100 supplier, what it mean you need to maintain more than 100 the number in our AutoCAD segment, you key one by one, request one by one, also very tedious. So basically, all these company, they already get prepared. I believe you have received some email or letter from the your customer or supplier say, hey, can you fill in your test information to me? I need to update in our system. So some of the customers, some of the supplier, they may use the Google form they fill in. Because the Google form, after you fill in already, you've got the Excel sheet, right? All the information will set in the Excel sheet. You can set into the Excel file. Then this Excel file, you can copy into our Excel template. Then you import in AutoCAD. It's a more easy way to update test entity in your AutoCAD in the number 4. So let's we go to how to use this test entity maintenance by this 4 methods. First method will be by manual, very easy. Just update your test entity in our AutoCAD. Then so that when you go to data maintenance, you can select this test entity. Then you go to the test entity maintenance. Then you press the new button. Then you fill in all your customer test entity or supplier identity. Then you save it. After save already, when you go to the debtor or creditor, but definitely all my demo will using the debtor lah. So because we need the TIN number to issue invoice to your customer so that's why I mostly use the debtor. So then you can select your TIN number in the debtor maintenance. Okay, so this is a by manual method. Second method will be get TIN number from the AIP server. Is mean if this customer got share their test entity to the AutoCAD server, so you can go to the data maintenance, then you press the edit or press the new, then you go to the test entity at the right side, get TIN from AIP server. You try to, you can search by company name, TIN number, or business registration number. Basically, I already share my company to the AutoCAD. So you try to search my company ATTIVO. So you will see my test information in the AutoCAD server. Actually, I already fill in the request link, then share to the AutoCAD. Later on, I will teach you how to save your test entity in our AutoCAD server. So definitely you need to send the request link. So then you press the search, you search my company name, then you will see you select my company, this customer or this company. Then you press the add to new entity, system will prompt the test entity maintenance. Then you will see all my company information. You just save. Then this test entity will be in your AutoCAD. So you can go to the test entity maintenance there to see this test entity, is it already set or not? So after you save, definitely when you go to the debtor maintenance, you can select this TIN number. Then you can save this number belong to this customer. Now, third method is, let's say example, I search the AutoCAD. I think the AutoCAD haven't set their TIN information in the server, maybe lah. Okay, I search the AutoCAD. Then they come out, no result found. It means this customer did not save their test entity or share to our AutoCAD server. So what you can do is you press the button called Request Company Test Information. Then you fill in your email and fill in your customer company name. Then you press the Get Link. The system will prompt the message there to alert you, is it all the information and entry, is it correct or not? If you press yes, so the system will generate the one request link. You may need to copy or highlight copy. You just press the button called copy request link. Then the system prompt a message. You already copy this request link in your clipboard, in your right, something like right click copy lah. After copy already, then you go to create one email, send to your customer, paste this request link in the email, then you send to them. Not only email lah, so you can WhatsApp, you can WeChat, or you can any method you're able to send this request link to your customer or a supplier, so that they can press this link or copy this link into the Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. then the web browser will lead your customer to the website called company test information request. It means lead to our AutoCount AIP server. So you fill in. After you fill in already, in the last part there, you need to tick the option share. You agree you want to share this company test information to the AutoCount so that the AutoCount user can retrieve your test entity from the AutoCount server. They set into their accounting system, but definitely it's the AutoCount accounting system lah. Then you press submit, so system will prompt out the one, ask you to key in the verification code. So then your customer will go to the email there he will receive the email verification. Then inside the email verification have the one code. Then this code you fill in into this email verification. You press submit. So you and your customer also receive the email from the AIP server. I mean from the AutoCount. The email called company test information updated. So inside this email, they got the two link. One is the call view and edit link. Another one is the sharing. So when you go to we go to explain what is the difference of these two links. So you and your customer got received this email, right? Actually, these two email also got the different information in the particular email. For the left-hand side, view in your customer, the email test information update, they got two links. One is the sharing, one is the edit link. So it means sharing is mean you can copy that link, send to, it means your customer also can copy this sharing, send to your customer, send to their supplier, say that this is my test entity. Okay, so that is one method. So or you will receive this email also you only allowed to press the sharing to see their information. You get what I mean now? But your customer email the copy, they got two links. One is the editing, one is the sharing. Sharing definitely same like your email. Okay. So editing it means in the future, let's say you may change the address, but you may switch your office, or you change your phone number, right? Or may you don't want to share your test entity, your information to the AutoCAD anymore. So you can delete. Edit button, it means you want to edit your test entity information. Delete button, it means you previously you share already. Now you think that I don't want to share. Okay, then you delete. So okay, so this is the request in from customer. So after this customer or you receive the test information update email, our AutoCAD send you email, alert you, notify you, say that customer already update their test in our server. So when you go back to this getting from the AIP server, this button, you search again, you will see their information from the AutoCAD server. So that is meanings. Number 4 method is the import from Excel. So this Excel template you can get from your AutoCAD dealer. So I think I can share this Excel template lah. So I may put the link in my Facebook, my company Facebook, or this Excel template in this YouTube. Okay, you can press the link there. So you can download it, or you can get from the AutoCAD dealer. So download this one, and after that, before you fill in your test entity, please go to the guide worksheet. Okay, because guide worksheet will teach you how to fill in this Excel template. Especially a lot of customers, like first time I use this Excel template, I also don't know how to fill in. Because I didn't see any business register number column. I didn't see any IC number. So actually this IC number and RC number is the column called identity number. So it means that in the second column there, okay, second column called identity number. It means now they got the one method to fill in. Let's say for company, you need to fill in the DIN number, then your your identity type should be pieces. Then after that, the identity number will fill in your RC number. What if you fill in the individual identity? So individual, you no need to fill in the PIN number. You fill in the IC number because the individual don't have PIN number ma. Okay, they're using the IC number. You fill in the IC number in the identity number, put the name, identity number, identity type will be individuals, 0. So all the MSIC code, country code, you need to fill in. You go through all the other worksheet to study how to fill in. You got the inside, they got the sample for yours. Hmm? So after you fill in already, when you want to import, you need to highlight. You can save the Excel template lah, first lah. Then after that, you import later. You need to highlight the title also. You mean TIN, identity number, name. Then highlight all your detail. Then right click, copy. After copy already, then you go to this import from Excel, import the test entity. You paste. You press the button called paste from clipboard. It means just how you highlight copy already, actually a copy into the clipboard. Paste, the system will read all your copy clipboard into this listing. But before you import, you need to check your status. The first, if the green color one, new, it means the new record. If update is a yellow color, it means in your AutoCAD already have this number. Do you want to override? Number third one is error. Then you need to check. Okay, what is the error? What as example is like just how I got ask you to update the MSIC code, right? Then you fill in this MSIC code in your Excel file. When you import, actually I could try. I could try it. I saw the listing don't have the MSIC code, but I fill in this Excel file. Then when I import the AutoCAD will prompt the error message called MSIC code does not exist. So definitely you cannot import because don't have the MSIC code. So you can try to import also, but the error record it won't help you to import. So this is the import function in our test entity. After you import already, then you can go to test entity maintenance. You see the result, is it import successful or not. So this is especially for phase 1, phase 2, they got a huge of the customer list and the supplier list. You ask them to key one by one or request one by one also takes some time. So if you already because I believe some of you already created Google form or print out the form, ask the customer to fill in. Okay, then after that or in the Excel sheet, then you just import so it will be faster than you key one by one. So we have the one additional note is you see here, I try to search my name, Yong Si Guan. But this Yong Si Guan I also got key in my test entity maintenance. So it means let's say it means I key in manually. It means it won't save or share in the AutoCAD server, right? So you will see you are not able to search from the server if this test unit is not using the request link. It means just how we got the third method called request link. After the customer fill in their test entity using the request link, the test entity will set in the AutoCAD server, right? So it means they got share. What if your customer or because maybe they're not using the AutoCAD, they're using the SQL, UBS, master account. So definitely they may not, you don't have this information our server unless you send the request link, ask them to fill in, do you want to share or not? Then they will share, then you can search up. So you try to search, it will come out the no result found. Okay, so take note the get thing number and request link only can search from our server. For manual and Excel template, you won't able to search in our AutoCAD server because there are manual record in your database. Because maybe your customer don't want to share to the AutoCAD, right? So definitely you cannot search from our server. So you can use the manual method or Excel template to import. all this text entity into this auto count. So another additional rule is, what if you already get the TIN number from our server, you try to set. Like example, I search my company ATTIVO solution. Okay, I search able to search already. I press the add to entity, right? You just how I already import by Excel import by Excel, or I request by link right? So I already set my this text entity in my auto count So if you request again or you key in again okay, or you get the TIN number again from our server, so the system will detect that you found this text entity you're not able to set. So basically, according to the message is you see a test entity with same TIN number and the business register number is found, then you know you cannot be set in our auto count. Otherwise, your auto count will be duplicate record. So that is the meaning. Hmm? So for all of you, if have you, I believe if you are using the 1.9, 2.0 or 2.1 below revision 40, you're not able to uh, use this test entity maintenance. So you need to get the latest version from your dealer. Then your dealer will have to install, update, okay, at least revision 40. Now they already revision 43. So then you can use this test entity, what I teach in this presentation, this online Zoom meeting. So good luck to everyone. So see you next time. Hopefully, if the AutoCAD have the new version, we will see you again. I will teach you more invoicing in the future. So thank you very much.